You love your coffee. You trust it to wake you up, push you through the day, and give you comfort when you're tired. But what if I told you the way you're drinking it might be stealing your energy, not giving it? We've been told coffee is healthy, that it's loaded with antioxidants, that it boosts focus and metabolism. That's all true in the right context. But if you're drinking coffee on an empty stomach, downing 4 cups by 3 p.m., or sipping cold brew at 10 at night, you might be messing with your body more than you think. In today's video, we'll uncover the surprising truth about caffeine, how it works, how it tricks you, and how to turn it from a quiet enemy into a powerful ally. Let's begin. Every morning, billions of people around the world start their day with one ritual: coffee. A hot cup, a smell that feels like home, a flavor that means business. But let me ask you something. Have you ever felt more tired after your second cup? Or more anxious by the afternoon? Or unable to sleep even if you had your last sip at lunch? That's not your imagination. That's caffeine misunderstood. See, caffeine isn't energy. It's not fuel. It's not rest. It's a stimulant. It tells your brain, hey, you're not tired, even when your body is. It blocks a chemical called adenosine. That's the molecule that signals your brain it's time to slow down. When caffeine blocks that signal, you feel alert for a while. But your body doesn't forget. When the caffeine wears off, you crash. Your brain says, wait, I thought we were tired earlier. So now it sends double the fatigue. And you grab another cup. And the cycle repeats. That's how caffeine can trap you in an illusion of energy while slowly draining your reserves. But here's the thing. It's not the coffee. It's the way we drink it. Let's talk numbers. Most health experts agree 400 milligrams of caffeine per day is the general limit. That's about 3 to 4 regular cups of brewed coffee, or one big energy drink, or 4 shots of espresso. But here's what we often forget. Caffeine is hiding in more than just coffee. It's in chocolate, in black tea, in soda, in certain protein bars, even in some painkillers. So your daily total might be higher than you think. Also, not everyone processes caffeine the same. Some people break it down quickly. Others hold on to it for hours. Ever heard of slow metabolizers? For them, even one coffee in the morning can affect sleep that night. On average, caffeine's half-life is about 5 to 6 hours. So if you drink a cup at 2 p.m., half of it is still in your system at 8 p.m. And yes, that can mess with your deep sleep. Now let's talk about coffee on an empty stomach. You've done it, right? Roll out of bed, start the machine, skip breakfast, drink the coffee. It feels productive, but it's not. Caffeine can increase stomach acid. With no food to buffer it, you can irritate your gut lining, leading to reflux, gastritis, or bloating. If you've ever felt jittery, nauseous, or shaky after coffee, this could be why. And here's a deeper problem. Caffeine stimulates cortisol. That's your stress hormone. It's meant to help in emergencies. But when coffee spikes it daily, your body can stay in fight or flight mode longer than it should. This leads to higher anxiety, fatigue, and even hormone imbalances over time. Especially for women, excess caffeine can disrupt estrogen pathways. So what do? Do we quit coffee? Absolutely not. We build a better relationship with it. Let's get practical. Tip number 1, delay your first cup. Wait 60-90 minutes after waking up. Let your body naturally produce cortisol. Then give it the coffee. Tip number 2, eat something first. Even a banana or toast can help. Protein is better. This protects your gut. Tip number 3, hydrate. Start your day with water before coffee. Dehydration, caffeine, shaky and tired. Tip number 4, know your window. Try to stop caffeine after 2 p.m. Let your body wind down. Tip number 5, watch your signals. If coffee makes you angry, anxious, or wired, listen to your body, not the trend. There's a saying in the U.S. Too much of a good thing is still too much. Caffeine isn't evil, but it's powerful. It deserves respect. Use it wisely, and it can be a focus enhancer, a mood booster, even a metabolic friend. Misuse it, and it can become your silent enemy. So next time you reach for that cup, ask yourself, am I tired or just out of rhythm? Listen to your body. It's smarter than your cravings. And if you truly love coffee, love it on your terms. Because real energy doesn't come from caffeine. It comes from balance. Now you know the truth. Drink smart. Drink slow. Stay human. If you're learning something new, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly tips on living long and living well. Thanks for watching from all across the U.S., Canada, the UK, Australia. Wherever your mug is from, we're glad you're here. Take care of your energy. Take care of your rhythm. And most of all, take care of yourself.